Dear students, good evening. Today I am going to explain the rest of the word that is related to circle. Okay, the plane figure circle. So the words are first. Today I am going to explain arc. What do you mean by arc? So here is the circle. Here is a circle, and this is the center of the circle. And you know that the circle contains infinite number of points. Take 2 points on the circle, A and B. These here are the 2 points, and we just join them on the boundary. So what is formed? An arc is formed. So what is the definition of an arc? An arc is a geometric figure or any curve. An arc is a curve or it is a geometric figure formed by any 2 points on the circle. This is the circle. So here are the 2 points on the circle. If we join accordingly, then what? The figure that is formed, the curve that is formed is known as what? An arc. Clear? So students, if you join this side, then it is an arc. Suppose this is AXB arc. If you continuously join them A to B from this side, so this is, we say, AYB. So there are two types of arc. One is minor arc, another one is a major arc. Types of arc. This is minor arc, and this is the major arc. So types of arc. Minor arc, say that AXB, this is the symbol of arc. Major arc AYB, this is the major arc. Okay, clear now? Then you know that circumference is the greatest arc of a circle. Note down, circumference is the greatest arc of a circle. If suppose B and A are the unique points, so we start from here and go around on the circle and then come to the next same point A. That means if A and B are the unique points, then what do we get? We get a giant curve. Okay, so the which is known as what? The circumference of the circle. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? This is known as the circumference of the circle. So circumference is the greatest arc of a circle. एक सर्कल का circumference सबसे बड़ा arc होता है. ठीक है? Now come to the next one. Semicircle. Look at here. You know that this is the circle and here is the diameter of the circle AB. Okay, clear? So this diameter and this including arc. So the region formed, the geometric closed figure formed by any diameter with including arc is known as what? A semicircle. So it is a closed geometric figure formed by any diameter with including arc. ठीक है? So this is the diameter and this is the what? Including arc. This is the diameter, this is also the including arc. So there are two semicircles. So a diameter divides the circle into semicircular region. This is known as what? Semicircular region. This is also semicircular region. So the arc This is the arc and the diameter. What makes the circle a semicircular region? This arc. Okay, this arc and this diameter. So the diameter including arc is known as semicircle and the region is known as semicircular region. So there are two semicircular region divided by what? Divided by diameter. Okay, so this is regarding semicircle. Now students, come to the next related word, sector. Sector and another one is segment. So sector is a closed geometric figure formed by any two radius with including arc. This is the including arc and this is two radius. These are the two radius and this is also an including arc. So there are two sectors formed. Okay, one is known as the minor sector, another one is known as the major sector. So define it. It is a closed geometric figure formed by any two radius with including arc. Okay, so here are the two sectors formed by these two radius with respect to these two what arcs. So minor, there are two types of sector, minor sector here known as OAXBO. This is the minor sector and this is the major sector OAYBO, major sector, right? Now come to segment. A segment is a closed geometric figure formed by any chord with including arc. So a segment, there are two types of segment also. One is the minor segment and also major segment. This is chord AB. So define it. It is a closed geometric figure formed by any chord with including arc. Okay students, so types: minor segment, AXBA, major segment, AYBA, right? Clear हुआ? Then another topic is secant. Last two word related, secant and tangent to a circle. A secant is this is a circle. A secant is a line that intersect circle in 2 points. A secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. This is the secant. This is a line intersect a circle in 2 points, while a tangent. Tangent is also a line that intersect a circle exactly one point. That means there is a point of only one point of contact between this tangent and this circle. There is only one common point. A tangent is a line that intersect a circle exactly in one point, right? So this is the difference between a secant and a tangent. Secant intersect the circle into 2 points, while there is only one point of contact between what, a circle and a tangent. So a tangent is a line that intersect a circle exactly in one point, and at last we say that the radius is perpendicular to tangent through the point of contact. The radius, this is radius, is perpendicular to tangent through the point of contact. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood me. Okay, thank you.